rendition. His team of Serine Dia. Just the one change from the Sosa Traore, setting out almost the same 11 with that couple of years for Senegal as Burkina Faso get the match underway. Ball runs kindly for Ousmane Camara. Beautiful ball in. Well, that's sees Burkina Faso playing for a penalty, not ferociously, in fairness to Boubacar Camara. There's a terrific ball with two white shirts, well onside, just out of the reach. Now satisfied, I think. Centre winning the ball. Senegal looking to get Fidel. It runs through. What a save to deny on the first, and then again on the third time. Lucky, and despite being under the cause, Abdou Azifal has Senegal in the lead. They've soaked up the pressure from the junior stallions. And Senegal riding into the lead. Well, the ball in here, just touched by Omar Sall. That took it to Pape Ndia. He was denied. Next up with Mamadou Sadio. And after two fine saves, Isidore Traore could do nothing. For the midfield screener, Algeria at the Nelson Mandela Stadium. Neither of these sides want to be stadio. Balance, but gets there. Be a free kick in a very inviting position in the discussion. Amara Diouf goes for a sixth of the tournament instead. Twisting and turning, looking for a shooting opportunity. Souleymane Alio eventually tries to centre it. Well, initially gifting it to Diallo, but he's done brilliantly to win it back. And he'll get a free kick. They look to have lost the opportunity. Diouf continued to reign. It's one of only two keepers yet to concede. And they find a route to goal. It's the captain who takes on the responsibility. Inside Aliou. Links with Sheikh Camara. Shooting opportunity. Some encouragement. Ball through, but Serine Diouf, well, he got there first, but not comfortable. Certainly the conditions seem to be playing a part in proceedings so far. The flick inside, Boubacar Camara will certainly goal side. Referee not interested. Good to see if VAR provide any advice, but balls seem to have dealt with them better. And yet struggled for a clear chance. But here might be one. What a challenge that is for Mimi Diallo. The fullback had to get it spot on. He looked to have won the ball cleanly ahead of Boubacar Camara. It looked like the door had finally been swung open. But what a recovery this is. Gets the ball first, but then brilliant 1-2, little nutmeg. But Senegal with enough bodies in the way to block his progress. Flicked on by Boubacar Camara, who's quickly back on the front foot. It's a brilliant header. Serine Diouf rooted to the spot. Ousmane Camara so close to the equaliser. Just a long ball, linking with Souleymane Alio. Looks to find the striker again. Oh, alive. Not the best of clearances. It's all over the shop. And yet it's a penalty. Well, what a start. into the second half, a minute in. For all the set pieces that Burkina Faso had, not once did they really cause any panic for Senegal. And right to the first minutes of the second half, the junior stallions would have to net 3 times. Position. Does seem like a harsh award. Strike coming through. The argument would be it's a natural ball, but considering it's been fired in from field decision, this could be massive. And he's hit the post and it's out. Well, a huge let-off for Burkina Faso. It has not been a matter of stay so far. The number 10. Ball to puncture the so far blemished goal of Senegal's Omar Sal strikes that goal. Swings it to the back post. They're queuing up. Turned away. Alio in his cross does end up on target, but Senin Diouf reached. Can Senegal take advantage? Junior Stallions down. Still have belief. And almost, even when they're not their best, they can prevail. They're certainly giving. Camera steals in to win possession from Mamadou. And eventually, it's Ibrahima Diallo. He has to just clear his lines. Mamadou Diallo has had an absolute nightmare at times. Going too fast. The opposite for Senegal, lovely skill. No final ball, but that. Boubacar Camara with a 1-2. Striking goal. Failing to hit the target. At least Mamadou Diallo. Great touch from Ousmane Camara. That's much better. And back heel though. Dealt with by Senegal. And now a bit of space for Amara Diouf. Well, dummies the initial effort on the way of the boot foul. Ouedraogo. Free kick opportunity. Strikes it right into the wall, but it's driven in! Burkina Faso, the first side to score against Senegal, but more importantly, they levelled the semi-final. An absolute rocket from Wimlesina Ouedraogo, and he's dragged the Junior Stallions back into the contest. Well, he gets Senegal, who statistically stutter as he prowls forward and brilliantly, and he struck it in. Senin Diouf, and done so again. Drogo's effort. He's gone, I'd imagine, for this occasion. Sorry, not sorry. There's one. Straight down the middle. Match day 2 of the group stage. And just fires it under Isidore Traoré. Steps forwards. No problem. Final. He missed in the opening. of the second half. He has made absolutely, but he has to score now. And he's in the crossbar. Senegal go to their first Under-17 Africa Cup of Nations final. Heartache for the 2011 champions. They pushed Senegal all the way, but in the end,